Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix a right or left AirPods Pro not working. If only one of these AirPods are working, then you could follow these steps. If your AirPods Pro aren't working, start by ensuring both are charged and in the case for at least 30 seconds. So after which, what you could do is open the case near your iPhone or iPad. You should see a charging status of each AirPods on your device. Place the non-functional AirPods in your ear. Leave the other AirPods in the case and play some audio. See if you hear a sound in the AirPods you're testing or not. If that doesn't seem to be working out, you could actually repeat it if needed. That is, if the AirPod play audio, put back in the case and repeat the charging and open the steps to ensure both are working. If that doesn't seem to be working out, you could also try resetting AirPods. And you actually want to go to settings and go to Bluetooth, or on your iPhone or iPad, find your AirPods in a Bluetooth list and tap the I button. Click on forgot and see whether that fixes your issue or not. The other thing you could also do is try cleaning the AirPods case as well as the AirPod itself and see whether that seems to be helping you out or not. Likewise, if nothing seems to be working out, then you simply want to contact the support team, let them know about it, and they will be able to help you out. The other thing you could also do is you could also adjust the volume or maybe restart your device by holding on to your side buttons and see that fixes your issue or not. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.